Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a remote for your Fire TV or Fire TV stick. So the first thing you want to do is go to the top right, and then go to Wi-Fi right here, and just make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Fire TV. If you're not, they're not going to be able to discover each other, so you won't be able to use your phone as a remote. So once you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network, we can go to the Google Play Store here, go to search, and we can type in Fire TV. And we can get the Fire TV application. So we can see it right here, Amazon Fire TV. Go ahead and install this on your phone and open it up. Now you're going to have to sign in with your account. I already did that. You can use your phone number, log in. They'll send you like a 6-digit code. You type in that code. Then we can go to the Bluetooth access and we can go to allow. And then it says remote control. Use as a remote with easy keyboard typing. Cool, let's do that. Okay, and then I'll tell you about that. And we can just go to continue like 4 or 5 times. Now with the Fire TV app, we can log in with someone. Let's just go to Dad. And then you can see the remote option down here at the bottom left. So let's go to remote. Click on that. Looking for TVs to connect to. Here's my TV. Waiting for your Fire TV to respond. I'm looking over at it. I don't really see a whole lot. So I got to type in this code now. It's 5064. Okay, I can see it. And now we should be able to use this as a remote now. So I can go up and down. I can see everything working on here. So I got my keyboard option right here if I need to enter in text. I got my voice option right there. I can go to my different applications real quick. And I can just select them and they'll open up. And then I got the 3 little lines for my options. Go to the right, there's my apps. Go to the left, there's my channel changer. And search. And go to home. And go to my watch list. And then here's my profile here too. If we need to set up new remotes or something like that. Very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.